In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete shared links in ChatGPT. If you've ever shared a conversation and later decided you don't want that link floating around, this guide will show you exactly where to go and what to click so you can remove it quickly and confidently. Start by looking to the bottom left of your ChatGPT window. This is where the main sidebar lives, and it's home to your account controls. From here, click your profile icon. That opens the menu that gives you access to your account settings and app preferences. Next, click Settings. This is the place where you manage how ChatGPT behaves and how your data is handled. Don't worry, we're only going to touch the area related to shared links. Inside Settings, click Data Controls. This section focuses on privacy and data management. It's where you can review items tied to your account activity, including any links you've created to share conversations. Now, find shared links. This is the feature that lists every conversation you've chosen to share via a unique URL. It's a convenient way to send a chat to colleagues or friends, but it's just as important to know how to clean these up when you no longer want them to be accessible. Click Manage. This opens the full list of your shared links so you can see exactly what's out there. You'll typically see the conversation titles, when they were shared, and controls for each link. Take a moment to confirm you're looking at the right item, especially if you've shared multiple conversations for different projects. On the far right side of the link you want to remove, there's a trash icon. Click it. That action deletes the shared link from your account, which means the public URL you created will no longer work. Anyone who tries to open it afterward won't be able to view the conversation. This is a great way to protect your content, reduce clutter, and ensure only the materials you intend to share remain available. That's it. By navigating to the bottom left, selecting your profile icon, opening Settings, choosing Data Controls, finding shared links, clicking Manage, and using the trash icon, you've fully deleted a shared link. As a tip, it's a good habit to review this list periodically, especially after a finished project or presentation, so you keep tight control over what's accessible outside your account. If you ever change your mind in the future, you can always create a new shared link for the same conversation when needed.